Hi everybody. Today we are going to take a deep dive in an opportunity called Midiacode for investment. I am Robson Lisboa and I'm really happy to be here and to be able to introduce you to the platform and to the opportunity of investment here. I'd like you to open your eyes to pay really attention to that because it's really a huge opportunity of investment according to everything that we see in technology and society today. First, we are a mixed reality platform, suite of mobile marketing and mobile content tools. And you are going to explain the base for this opportunity. I am the CEO and a co-founder of the platform, and together two other friends we're going to show here. So in 5-6 years ago, we created the solution, coding, developing, selling, and advancing with the concept along the years, researching a lot. We have plenty of years on that. And in the first slides, we are going to show the product in a nutshell. So what is the opportunity here? First, what does it do? What does Midiacode do? So the idea here is that to help brands and organizations of all sizes to create mobile experiences and campaigns on mixed reality tech. And how we do that? We do through this last generation QR codes plus content. So this duo working together, QR codes plus content. Super apps. So we have an architecture of super apps, short links, and business visiting cards, which are the main solutions we have. We have 20 solutions in total already developed and delivered to the market, but those 4 here are the most important ones: the QR codes plus content, super apps, short links, and business visiting cards. So we put digital content and experience on things, people, and places. The second point is uniqueness. We have a very easy to use platform for the mixed reality, the Internet of all things experience. A solution that is one-stop shop for mobile marketing and content initiatives. We are the unique player with third generation of QR codes plus content, and also we are already developing the 4th generation. So we are one-stop shop solution, and we have this 3rd generation of QR codes plus content, and we have the super app solution, super app architecture, which is unique in our offer. So we put together this triggers, which is the 3rd generation QR codes plus content, with the super app from the other hand. Together, there is no other company in the world with such solution. Mostly to this Internet of everything. Why to invest in us? First thing is we have a huge market growth ahead. This market is growing a lot. We're going to show the next slides. We have a great vision on how to explore this people's deeply need of contextual information, what we call also the internet in all you can see. So we have a great vision on how to explore this need and how to deliver to people the information they are demanding. We have an outstanding and experienced team. We're going to show you in the next slides. And we are an ESG friendly initiative, starting from zero paper, but with many other characteristics of ESG, which is a very strong movement today. And last, how does it work? We are a software as a services company. We have a self-service online that people can go there and hire straight, paying with credit card. We have also self-training for most of our customers, which does not demand any people from our side to go there and to train our customers. We are transactional, try and buy. People can test it before buying. For large accounts, we have for corporate customers, they are attended by account managers and by our direct sales team. We have SDRs and inside sales process, a very mature one. So I'd like to be happy to show to any of you how is our inside sales processes. And we work with digital and content marketing in order to promote our solutions, in order to show our ideas to people, to customers, to end customers, to buy our solution, to the brands itself. Who are the founders? So who are you talking to? The first column here is myself. So I have more than 27 years of experience in technology markets, working for huge companies in global projects. So in doing the investigation and the research to try to bring the best technology, trying to understand people, mobilers, how do they think, and making partnerships with many companies, as you can see also on my LinkedIn profile. Together with me, you have Luis Gustavo Gavinho. We are more than 20 years working together already, which is an outstanding aspect of our company. So in 2001, 2000 about, we were already working together. And Gavinho is our CTO, very experienced guy, working many other companies in many other startups, and with large experience. In our operations, we have Glauci Lopez, more than 21 years of experience in corporate communications and business administration. So we are working together for a long time as well. The mobile marketing also has grew a lot, in an average of 22% year over year. And it's going to keep growing. I would say that it's going to grow a little bit more because people is learning how to deal with those smart packaging, those QR codes on museums, on TV. So these are things that people are learning actually. And the companies and the brands that are going to invest and to explore that the most are going to make a huge amount of money, and we want to be among of them. From the 4 main mobile marketing solutions, we take care of 3 of them. The ones that has the biggest growth, the QR codes plus NFC plus whatever would be the trigger in the future, the location-based marketing, and the mobile web. So those 3 biggest growth solutions are the ones who are taking care, and some other more. Here, I'd like to invite you to go into this mobile trends from eMarketer, which is one of the most respected institutions for research on marketing. They have these mobile trends, and on our presentation, on our PDF, we're going to send you the PDF of this presentation. You can just hit this picture here and go straight to this video. Those 3 experts, they are talking about the mobile trends to watch. It's in 2022, but most of them are going to be kept for 2023. And those are the 5 ones: super apps, expansions of QR codes, embedded e-commerce, computer vision, mixed reality, and apps that embrace sustainability. Those are the 5 hot topics for this video from eMarketer. And we could stop our presentation exactly here because we are in the core of all those trends in just one solution for the market. So looking to these core trends, mobile trends, and looking towards is to look to our solution. that is already developed, that is mature already, and that is serving customers already. So watch this video and come to our presentation, and we are going to see how we are in the core of those trends. Now we are stating the problem. So what is the problem, the pain that we solve? People need extra information on barely everything they see. Where they are walking, where they're visiting. Mobile and QR codes / NFC or any other trigger are channels and highways from offline to online, which is the O2O means, to content, to extra content, to extra experience. This kind of demand for extra information is exploding everywhere. Still, there's a problem here. It's hard to brands to easily implement their mixed reality and QR code NFC campaigns, managing all the content, all the data in one place. And of course, you deliver a solution for that. Midiacode is an end-to-end mixed reality platform to help publishers from marketing departments, from mobile marketing area, to create content and connect it to things like smart packaging, like products, through smart QR codes, NFCs, menus, links, social networks, and places through also QR codes, but also through geolocation. Also, we are the solution to let end users to grab the content they want from a product in a service, in events, for instance, or from a place, from a city, from whatever they want. Here you have more clear benefits to consumers. Consumers is a very easy way to grab the content and access it with 3 touches on mobile always. So people who are going to grab the information in some contexts, they are going to have it with them and they are not going to lose it. Another important thing, which has a lot to do with the hyper personalization, is that customers decide the content they want. It goes in the directions of privacy. It goes in the direction of transparency. To the brands, what are the benefits to the brands? A way of connecting people and the brand. So if you have a product in the grocery store, so we help those brands to connect digitally to people through the smart packaging. We have a very easy platform for publishing content every day. So instead of being hard to create campaigns, being harder to implement something, it is very easy. Anybody can create this with the right login, the right password, approved by the brand. So anybody from the company can create campaigns, publish it. You can implement at scale solutions like ours and change it every day. Because one of the things that we are the only one in the market that have is that you release one QR code or any other trigger in a smart packaging, for instance, and you can change the behavior of this QR code with many advanced tools. And you don't need to change that QR code. It's going to be kept the same. And in listing the benefits to brands, we have a monitor that unveils content's behavior, so customers' behavior. So we can show which content is booming, which content is making lots of success, which content is suffering, is not a huge success. And we can show with that data, we can show the customers' behavior, so what they really like, what they dislike, and what should the brand invest a little bit more, what should the brand give up on investing. Here is our segments, the business model, the customer acquisition cost, and the lifetime value for our customers. I'm going to show the business model. We have 3 main markets, 3 main segments: smart products, smart places, and education and associations. Day 3, we have about 33% with those 3 markets here today. We can show that in the next meetings. Our business model to sell to those people is the price is composed by 2 main factors: the number of codes or the content, and the number of scan events per year. The service is offered with a setup payment plus a monthly fee. So in all those customers, we have this kind of setup payment plus monthly fee, except the online sales. So those first 2 columns here have the CAC and LTV for online sales, and the 3rd column and the 4th column is for direct sales with our key account managers. In general, in average, we made a calculation to calculate the overall cost of acquisition of our customers, and it's about 147 euros. And the lifetime value for our customers for 2 years, which is the low average of our customers staying with us in the platform, is about 1,342 euros. So it's a very good ratio between our LTV and cost of acquisition. What is the difference of Midiacode to existing solutions? Why Midiacode? First, we are one-stop solution to all mixed reality and all QR code needs. We have this content hosting, APIs for automation, customization, is to manage many campaigns, analytics, and many other things. So today, in many other competitors, you need to hire many companies, you need to hire hosting, you need to hire analytics in separate, you need to hire different solutions, and to integrate them to create the kind of experience we can deliver in just one solution. The innovation from our side, we are the unique solution on this 3rd generation of QR codes, and we are already developing the 4th one, and we make it work together with our unique super app architecture, delivering fast, unique experience to end users. So we can create those super apps really fast in about 30 days, and with high customization, colors and everything else, and with high flexibility to deliver a continuous evolution for the brand super app, working together to QR codes into the triggers in places, in products, in books, in whatever. So this is a complex solution that is already in place today. You are unique with those 2 here in the middle. We have QR codes for real industrial large-scale usage fail-proof. So we have create some solutions that help brands not to fail on implementing QR codes, and we have mapped lots of failures that big companies are making, and that with our solution it's barely impossible to have those failures. We have an unbeatable cost-benefit correlation. So we want to be price. We want that price is not going to be a big problem to our customers in a way that they can adopt us at scale. We are customer success oriented. We have co-create with your customers their mobile experience. We are together with them, listening and implementing what they really need. And also we answer the calls. So we're a kind of company that takes care of the customer. We are a faster process of continuous product market fit. So as needs, companies and customers are changing fast, we also need to change our products fast. And you do that observing the marketing. And when you see that the trends are pointing in our direction, it's not a surprise to us. We are already waiting for that to happen because we're watching the society and watching our customers and implementing things according to their real needs. And we are a full suite of mobile marketing solutions. Stop making many subscriptions and coming to hire only Midiacode. Those are the 8 main elements that makes Midiacode unique to the market. We are in the pre-seed phase today. We are bootstrapping up to now, but already in this phase of scale up. Right, we have almost 500,000 users, more than 5,400 publishers, with some of them the biggest companies, global companies. We have more than 35,000 published content and growing in our platform already, hosted in our platform. And we have processed more than 17 millions of interactions for our customers, showing that our platform is already mature. So we want 600,000 euros for 10% of the company. So these are the places where we're going to use this money. So 200K for product development, 300K for customer acquisition. Half of this money is for customer, for selling. You are crazy about selling and are going to keep being this way. And 100 for operation development. In more details, you are working on this internalization of the service, multi-language, new versions of publisher tool, new features. All this roadmap is deeply documented in a way that we'd like to be happy to show you the professional way. We have our roadmap and how do we see the evolution of the platform. Want to grow our customers base, mostly improved through this self-service sales online in digital marketing. So we see there are lots of money there. The companies that we have today, they are good companies that they don't have the technologies we are offering. So we do believe that when you start to show to people through Google ads and with a better publisher tool, we are going to be able to grow the self-service sales a lot. Also want to master the inside sales for corporate customers, improving the internal operation and the process of a customer satisfaction. We believe our customer satisfaction is a very major process, but we need to put more people working on that. And also improve our external sales reps channel. So thank you very much. This is the QR code for this presentation. You can just point and grab it. Thank you very much, and hope to see you on the next meetings in a way that you can deeply look into the numbers and into the vision and into the opportunity we are offering. Thank you very much for watching.